Welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. In today's update, we'll dive deep into the latest movements in gold and crude oil markets, examining how US Federal Reserve interest rate cuts are impacting prices, along with global events influencing market trends. Stay tuned for insights that matter. Gold prices are holding firm near their record highs, reflecting the market's reaction to the aggressive rate cuts from the US Federal Reserve. As of today, spot gold is priced at $2,586.98 per ounce, marking a solid 0.4% increase for the week. On Wednesday, gold reached its all-time peak of $2,599.92, shortly after the Fed's announcement of significant rate reductions. The Federal Reserve has cut interest rates by 0.5 percentage points, and there's a strong expectation that more rate cuts are on the horizon. Traders are betting on further reductions, with predictions indicating a 60% likelihood of a 25 basis point cut in November. This, coupled with a potential additional cut by the end of the year, has strengthened gold's appeal as a zero-yield asset in a low-interest rate environment. Meanwhile, economic data from the US suggests ongoing strength, with unemployment claims reaching a 4-month low. The job market remains robust, further boosting investor confidence in the gold market. Adding to this, the largest gold-backed exchange-traded fund, SPDR Gold Trust, reported a slight rise in holdings, signaling growing investor interest. However, China, the world's largest consumer of gold, did not import gold from Switzerland in August, marking the first such instance since January 2021, as revealed by Swiss customs data. While gold is the star performer this week, silver prices have remained stable at $30.76 per ounce, while platinum dipped slightly by 0.4% to $984.90, and palladium slipped by 0.3% to $1,077.75. Turning our attention to the crude oil market, oil prices have shown stability today, despite some slight fluctuations. Brent crude is trading at $73.69 per barrel, while US crude is holding at $72.01 per barrel. Both benchmarks have recorded significant weekly gains, with Brent up 4.3% and US crude up 4.8%. This positive movement comes after both benchmarks touched 3-year lows earlier in September. The recent recovery in oil prices has been supported by the Federal Reserve's 0.5 percentage point rate cut, which is expected to stimulate economic growth and, by extension, energy demand. However, there are concerns that this may indicate underlying weakness in the US labor market, which could affect long-term demand. Further boosting oil prices, US crude inventories have hit their lowest levels in a year, underscoring tight supply conditions. Analysts from Citi are forecasting a market deficit of approximately 400,000 barrels per day, which could help keep Brent prices in the $70 to $75 range through the next quarter. Geopolitical tensions in the Middle East are also lending support to oil prices. A series of explosions in Lebanon, potentially linked to the Hezbollah group, have raised concerns about regional instability. While Israeli officials have not commented, the situation is being closely monitored by the markets. However, weak demand from China remains a bearish factor. China's industrial output and refinery output have both slowed, marking a significant decline in demand from one of the world's largest oil consumers. To summarize, both gold and crude oil are experiencing significant upward momentum, with global events and Federal Reserve policies playing key roles in shaping market dynamics. Gold continues to shine in a low-interest rate environment, while crude oil benefits from shrinking inventories and geopolitical tensions. As always, we'll keep you updated on these evolving markets. Thank you for tuning into Ajayastro Mini Guru. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest market insights.